this video, and today I want to talk about the LVLUP LED mouse pad with 12 lighting modes. So in my past video, my very recent video, one of my most recent video, I did a review and a unboxing on the LVLUP gaming mouse, which is for pro gaming. Bear in mind, these gaming devices are like very budget, like you can get them under $20, so it is very much a budget friendly video for this one. So here we have on the box again, LED mouse pad, 12 lighting modes, 12 RGB lighting modes powered by USB cable, not included. Well, sorry about that, it does include in the box. Like, why wouldn't they include the USB cable for you guys? Textile surface designed for precise control and low friction. Anti-slip rubber base helps to keep the mouse pad in place. That is very useful because you don't want to have a mouse pad and it is moving with the mouse. You want it to stay under the mouse. So here we are. So I'm pulling the box right now. Let me see if there's anything else. Yep. So I believe the company that will actually make it is a company go by Vivitar, yeah, sorry about that name, but Vivitar, they are the ones who actually make this mouse right here, this mouse pad. So here we are. I'm going to take it out of the box right now. Let's see if I can take this out with one hand. Hold on. Taking it out of the mouth. So there we have it, guys. Right out of the box. It is a mouse pad. It is RGB light around it. So here we have it. It is pretty huge and it's curled up, but it seems like it is easy to like be flat because I don't have a problem to get it flat. So that is pretty good. Inside the box, we don't have anything else inside the box. I was looking for a manual, but there seems to be no manual because this is pretty straightforward. So here we are, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna place my mouse on it to show you the size of this mouse pad. You guys can see the mouse pad is pretty big and pretty good for your mouse pad. You can scroll all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in for you guys real quick and I'll be back. So just for more details, you're gonna plug it right here. It is a micro USB, not a USB type C, micro USB right there. Plug it in right there. Bada boom, bada bing. Then you're gonna take the next end, this end, which is a USB port, and plug it in your computer USB port. And that is pretty straightforward. I'm guessing that's why they didn't include a manual in this box. So that's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in right away. So guys, it is now plugged in, and I saw a red light came on and then it came right off. I'm guessing that is just to indicate that it has been plugged in. But here's where it is plugged in right there. And what I realized is this is actually a button right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it and see what happened. So when I press it, I get a RGB mode. It seems like it is just what you would say, just glowing, like up and down from blue to green and so on. This said it has 12 light modes, so I'm gonna press the button again and see what happened. So I pressed the button again, guys, and wonder if anything changed. Doesn't seem like anything changed that much. Press it again. Did anything change? Doesn't seem like anything changed. I'm guessing this is just like one color or something. They should have a manual in there saying like what one press give you, what three presses give you, and all those stuff. But so far this just seems like it is just red that is showing. Hold on, guys, let me turn off the light real quick for you guys. So here we have it. The light is off. Let me bring out the camera a little bit more so you guys can see. So I'm gonna press it again one more time, and that is the next mode. It is blue, but for some reason the blue is not coming all the way around. Is that a factory fault? Let me show you guys. So the blue starts here, but it doesn't come all the way around. Is that a factory fault or something? Press it again. The green kind of go around. The green is kind of showing more. Press it one more time. Now we have purple, pinkish, reddish. Now we have aqua blue or greenish, whatever. Now we have yellow, oranges. Now we have white, pink, I'm not sure. Now we have red again. Red. This is red and blue. Actually, this look cool. So this right here, let me bring it around. So it is kind of mixing the colors, if you guys can see in camera. So you have pink and yellow there, aqua and pinkish, what's that, red and yellowish, green and white, I guess, and R, red and blue. That always look good, guys. And I'm gonna press it one more time and see what happened. So now it's like flashing or something. Yeah, it is like flashing. Yeah, it's definitely flashing. That's kind of cool. Is that off? Yeah, I'm guessing that's all of it, guys. So you have this one first, and then you have like some solid colors, and then you have some mixture of colors, and then you have some flashing mixture of colors. So those are the modes that I think I remember. I think those are all of the modes, but for the price it is definitely worth it, because you're spending like literally under $20 for a light up mouse. It is flexible also. It is very flexible. I'm guessing this is like fiberglass or something, because the light actually bends around it. I'm not sure, correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong, but the build quality is pretty good, and you can see the mouse pad size is pretty big. It's not a little mouse pad, and it doesn't move at all. Like, it doesn't move. The mouse alone moves literally. So that is pretty good, guys. But that's basically what I love to say for this video, guys. As I said, it is just a mouse pad. It's pretty straightforward. You plug the cable in and you press the button to change the modes. You can't really do much with that. It is not cooling, it is not nothing else. On the other side, it is just the grip part, if you guys can see. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. It's pretty straightforward, but if you're thinking to buy this, it is definitely worth it. If you're just starting to do some gaming, or you just want a cool setup, it is pretty good. Also, guys, this doesn't have to be used as a mouse pad. It can use like a table mat or something. Like, you could put this on a table and then have some stuff on it and just have the light going around it. Like, that would look cool also. That's just my opinion. But yeah, guys, that's been it. Let me know what you guys think about this mouse pad. Are you getting it, or do you consider getting it? Do you have it? Are you having troubles with it? Just let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. If you reach this far in the video, you definitely like the content, so make sure to give that a thumbs up. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.